We have a few weeks to go until the Tourism Leadership Conference that we as the TBCSA host. The work is well underway. From the logistics side, we are well prepared and we are looking forward to be hosted by Sun City. And of course, from the program point of view, we've been busy with the content of the program. Of course, we have the Minister of Tourism who would be there to give an opening address at the conference. We also have the Minister of Home Affairs who will be attending the conference to talk about issues around the e-visa, visa waivers, e-gates, and everything that has to do with immigration and making it easier for people to travel into South Africa. And we'll touch on various topics when we do the conference. Some of those topics are how do we grow the tourism arrivals into South Africa, which markets we need to be focusing on, what tactics we need to be deploying in order for us to be top of mind. Other topics will deal with sustainability, issues of SMMEs. How do we make sure that SMMEs grow and become sustainable businesses? How do we make sure young people are employed within the tourism sector? And how do we make sure that we protect the environment within our country? So we're looking forward to welcoming you. Spaces are very, very limited. There's a lot of interest and we already are closer to the numbers that we need for the conference. So I will encourage you, if you haven't registered, to register. If you have registered and you haven't paid, pay and secure your spot. It's going to be a fantastic conference. We want everyone to be there.